Well, everyone, as you can tell, we're in the Colorado. First drive to work. Temps under half, which is where it should be. I got the fan on. Got decent gas in it. I got Brock and his truck following behind me in case there's any issues. But yeah, first drive, first real drive. First drive was me and the wife. We went like 6 miles. Went home just to drive it. But this will be the first real drive at speed, 65, 70. We're just gonna enjoy this. Cruise control even works. I wish my AC worked, but oh well. Can't have everything. Suspension's just as floaty as I remember. So the truck has 204,354. That's how many miles. And now the engine is practically at 6. Pistons, rings, crank's been done. It's practically a new truck. Well, a new engine. Transmission's the 4L60E. I don't beat the balls out of it, so it should last me. Really hoping you guys can fucking hear me. But I mean, we're cruising. Trip meter set, so when we hit 1,000 miles, we change the brake-in oil out. That's when I'll put regular coolant in, because right now all we got is distilled water. But in theory, if it was going to overheat on a day like today, where it's hot, it would have overheated. As you guys can tell, she runs and drives. I'm going to shut this off, enjoy some music, and I will pick the camera up if we have any problems or just to pick it up. Well, work is right up there. We got 18.3 miles on the trip odometer, and it's been solid the whole way. Temp never went up. I think the transmission's still a little angry. I'm gonna have to check the transmission fluid because it did dump a lot while moving it around and everything. So it's probably still a little low on transmission fluid. But quick video, show everybody. She runs, she drives. Yes, it still has a check engine light. When we get to work, we're gonna run the codes, make sure it's not fancy and tragic. Yeah, we made it to work. No issues. Thanks for watching, everyone.